to use the 3D fill box files. The default size of the file is quite big, so it's almost, the height is almost 10 inch. So of course you can resize it, so it's about 9.8 inch. And you are able to resize it. And I think the smallest I have tried is 3 inch high. Look how cute this is. So 3 inch. So the file is resizable, and once you cut out all the pieces, and each piece has all the number label on it, so you are able to see which number is these pieces. And I would suggest you have your instruction handy so you would know which pieces go where. Once you realize where the each piece go, then you would know like which way to curve it. Like number 1 is going here, and then you will know like you will curve it, and you curve it before you fold the flap here. So, and you can see, as you can see, all the folding line has been cut at a dotted line. So that's easy to fold. You start with number 1 and it goes here. And number 1 and number 2, they look very similar. So that's why that's when the instruction come in handy, like you know exactly which piece should go. And if somewhere, like see, like in the middle, like between there was a flap for gluing it together. If somehow you have two flap overlap each other, then something is wrong. You have to check the instruction, or you put the pieces into the wrong place. So you better double check it before you stick them together. Like number 1 go here, so I can see, and this way. So this bit I will need to curve this way. So after curve you fold, and so that's where here is where you put all the glue. And because the size of it, and this file is designed as a fill box, so you are able to put things in afterward, but because the size of it, so it's very hard for them to stand. So you might have to, when you finish, you might want to put something underneath, or against something if you want them to stand.